find out why cash flow management is a critical part of running a business. So what exactly is cash flow? Well, cash flow is the amount of money coming into a business and the amount of money going out. Any company would be ideally want more coming in than going out. If the cash coming in is greater than the cash going out, your business is probably in good financial health. But that's just the short answer. Let us dig deeper. What is cash flow statement? The cash flow statement portrays how a company has spent its cash. It is often used in tandem with the other two key reports, that is, the profit and loss and the balance sheet. It is the third component of a company's financial statement. Cash flow statements have three main categories. They are operating cash flow, investing cash flow, and financing cash flow. Cash flow analysis is often used to analyze the liquidity position of the company. Why is cash flow important? The cash flow report is important because it informs the reader of the business cash position. A business can run successfully only if it has sufficient to pay its expenses, bank loans, taxes, and to purchase new assets. An analysis of cash flow will give advance warning if the business is heading towards bankruptcy. While cash flow is of great importance for the business itself, it is also a significant tool for the investors and creditors. While it helps investors analyze the working of a business and its operations, it helps creditors analyze the liquidity of the business. Thus, cash flow helps investors and creditors in making key decisions related to the company in question. There are many misconceptions when it comes to understanding the cash flow of a company. As an investor, you must truly understand what the cash flow tells you about the company. One of the most common mistakes that investors make is equating profits with cash flow. It is possible for a business to make profit but have no or negative cash flow. How can that happen? Well, profit is an accounting concept, while cash is the amount actually flowing in the business. Profit doesn't pay the bills. The company can have assets like accounts receivable, but if it cannot collect what's owed, it won't have cash. And without cash, it can simply not operate. So even a business showing profits in the books may not be worth investing in because of the reality check portrayed by its cash flow. It is also important to not let cash flow statement misguide you. As an investor, just reading the difference between cash outflow and inflow of a company isn't enough. Cash level might be in surplus because it might have sold some of its assets. But that doesn't mean that the company's liquidity is improving. If the company has sold off some of its assets to pay off debt, then this is a negative sign and should be investigated further for more clarification. Similarly, it is possible for a company to have a negative cash flow, but it could be a part of its growth strategy in the form of expanding its operations. Let us take an example to further understand cash flow. Manish starts a business with Rs 10,000. With his 10,000 rupees, he buys raw materials and starts making pickles. He manages to sell all the pickles to a customer for Rs 15,000. But the customer purchases the pickles on credit and promises to pay at the end of the month. Manish agrees. Let's determine the cash position of Manish's business in this scenario. Revenue Rs 15,000. Under accounting rules, revenue is recognized when it is earned, not when it is received. Therefore, since you have made the sale to your customer, the sale must be recognized as revenue received. He spent Rs 10,000 on the pickles and sold them for Rs 15,000. This leaves him with a profit of Rs 5,000. What about cash? He is left with zero cash. Even though Manish earns Rs 15,000 in revenue and Rs 5,000 in profit, he has zero cash. The same scenario can play out often in the business world, particularly with large corporations, which signifies the importance of producing a cash flow report. In conclusion, the cash flow statement is an important document for investors as it portrays a company's financial health. When analyzed along with the company's balance sheet and profit and loss account, cash flow gives you a real picture of the company's liquidity. It is a valuable measure of the long-term future outlook for a company.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.